The road construction industry is always on the move, buzzing with projects worth billions. Government and private agencies spend huge costs on subcontracting heavy vehicles for these projects. However, with over-reliance on manual and paper-based processes, they often lack visibility into the vehicles and the overall operations. With no proper tracking and monitoring of resources, construction works never finish on time, don't comply with the set standards, and worse, lack quality too. What these agencies need is Basecamp Fleet Pro, a comprehensive digital platform for managing construction fleet and the operators. Here's how it works. Once the GPS tracking device is installed in the vehicles and the app on the manager's device, Basecamp Fleet Pro gives a real-time dashboard view of all the places where road construction is happening on a map. By gathering the data about the vehicle's location and operator activities from all those sites and sending it to the central database, it offers the managers generic insights into vehicle location, status, usage and performance, along with more specific insights such as the number of roller turns, road compaction quality, earth mover operations, operator efficiency, etc. through powerful reports and analysis so that they can efficiently track, monitor and manage the construction fleet operations, comply with road construction standards and deliver expressway quality roads on time. Keep your road construction business on the move with Basecamp Fleet Pro.